Welcome to Professional English VIP. Today, we'll be practicing minimal pairs with the long E and the short I sounds. Let's get started, shall we? Leave, live, leave, live. I had to leave to live in peace. Beat, bit, beat, bit. She beat it a little bit. Heat, hit, heat, hit. The summer heat hit a new record this year. Teen, tin, teen, tin. The teen liked the tin cup. Sleet, slit, sleet, slit. He saw the sleet through the slit. Bean, bin, bean, bin. Throw the bean in the bin. Heel, hill, heel, hill. She walked to the hill to heal. Seen, sin, seen, sin. He had seen her commit the deed, did, deed, did. I did a good deed. Eat, it, eat, it. I could not eat it. Bead, bid, bead, bid. He bid on the beads. Wheeze, whiz, wheeze, whiz. The whiz began to wheeze. Creak, crick, creak, crick. I had a crick in my neck walking to the creek. Seat, sit, eat, sit. She had to sit on the seat. Meal, mill, meal, mill. The mill was for cornmeal. Reef, riff, reef, riff. They had a riff on the reef. Wheel, will, Wheel, will. The wheel will turn. Keys, kiss, keys, kiss. He wanted a kiss in exchange for the keys. He's, his, he's, his. He's his greatest asset. Steal, still, steal, still. The steel was still too hard. Feet, fit, feet, fit. Her feet fit in the slippers. Meet, mit, meet, mit. Why is there meat in this mitt? Deep, dip, deep, dip. I took a dip in the deep end. Green, grin, green, grin. Her grin was green. Feel, fill, feel, fill. I feel content when I fill my own cup. Deal, dill, deal, dill. She got a great deal on the dill weed. Leap, lip, leap, lip. I hit my lip when I took the leap. I hit. Peel, pill, peel, pill. It was a pill of orange peel. Greet, grit, greet, grit. She greeted me with grit in her teeth. Great job, VIPs. You did it. Feel free to continue to practice this video until you feel like you're a professional. And look forward to similar videos that are coming soon. Until next time, keep shining.